In this video, I'm going to remove and install the thread take-up lever by removing the reverse threaded screws on the two posts. The one post is here, and that one goes into the counterweight for the horizontal arm shaft. The other post is up here that has a screw, and that post is the stud that anchors the device to the machine. This is the take-up. This is the thread take-up lever connecting link, and the device itself is one piece, kind of a funny shape from here to here. We'll see when we take this off later how there's two pieces, not three. And then down here, of course, is the needle bar connecting link. That also is our reverse threaded screw. So I'll start with this one right here. And when they're loose, they're really easy to come off. Now, as I pull this off, as I remove it, I want to ensure that I'm removing both ends of the machine equally and at the same time, equally as well. So physically equally and at the same time. There, isn't that beautiful? And that is to prevent binding. And binding is, it refers to the device getting jammed because it didn't go on straight or it didn't come off straight, and it could jam, and that is binding. So there, that's the wonderful piece. And like I said earlier, this is the connecting link, the take-up thread lever connecting link, and it's a separate part from the actual pickup lever itself, which is this. This is the thread take-up lever. And so that is off. Now to replace it, it's really, really simple. There is a little bit of an idea or a knack to it. Like we removed it, removing the parts equally and at the same time, we also have to install it that same way. I like to keep in mind that I'm going to be gentle, and I'm going to get it on and then move it before I tighten anything too tight. So here we go. And so what I do is I roughly put them in the area where they should be, and then when they're both, now that bottom one is good. There, I can feel them there, and they went in there quite nicely. And then it's just a matter of replacing the screws, because there's two of them, and keeping in mind that they are reverse threaded. So I'll get this top screw on, and I got to remember that it's not lefty-loosey, it's lefty-tighty, because I still naturally try to do it the other way. Where is it? Am I there yet? There, it should be there. There we go. Once we get it started, it's easy to finish it. And here we go with the other one. Same thing. Left is tight, left is on. Oh, that one's seated right away. How nice. So that's really convenient because the studs were already in, and we know that everything is going to be nice and fluid. So there was that little video. Here's a little clip from the next video. In the next one, I start getting the presser bar, and then the needle bar, and then the rocker arm bar all in place, and start getting their linkages and stuff all hooked up. So now you know that there will be a presser bar in the next video because I've already started. Anyway, you guys take care. If you're so inclined, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and like. It helps. Thank you.